I know after the speakers all speak, we'll probably be off to lunch break and or session will start. So allow me to give my 2 cents worth, Madam Chair. Let us hit closer to home, Madam Chairperson. Last April, I was given information because during my 5-year break out of politics, I was able to establish a bit of small, medium enterprises in Cagayan de Oro and Bukidnon. Last April, I was told na doon daw sa aming planta sa Cagayan de Oro ay may mga shabu addict. So ang ginawa po natin ay nagpatawag po ako ng tulong sa City Hall employees ng Department of Health na empleyado sa City Hall at nag-conduct po ako ng drug test sa aking mga tauhan. Madam Chair, out of the 30 employees that we had, 10 ang positive sa shabu. That is a third of my workforce. A third. Nakakagulat dahil marami doon ay masaya na sa buhay at maganda po kanilang sweldo at benepisyo. Ay dala ko po galing sa Bukidnon at kinausap ko po sila. At tinanong ko sila, bakit kayo lumuklok sa shabu? Nang ganda ng buhay nyo na yun. Alam mo ang sagot sa akin, Madam Chair? Doon sa labas ng aming gate, doon sa Barangay Agusan, sa Cagayan de Oro, napakadaling bumili ng shabu. 20 pesos lang, 20 pesos, Madam Chair, ang isang sachet ng shabu na mas mura pa sa isang pack of cigarettes. So they said, they do a hit in the morning and when the hit is gone, they do the hit in the evening. Ganon kagrabe at lala ang sitwasyon ng droga na yon. Madam Chair, Mexico, I had a briefing recently, Mexico is losing the war on drugs. Their killings there are not done by government. Pero yung mga massacres doon are being done by the drug cartels, the Mexican drug cartels. Pinupugutan yung mga ulo. They hang them upside down. And sooner or later, if we do not nip this at the bud, and I'm saying it's not even in the stage of a bud, it is now a full-grown weed, Madam Chair. We have to congratulate the PNP for the job that they're doing now because they're risking life and limb at sila mismo namamatayan. Madam Chair, sa totoo lang, after Digong Duterte, the President, had become President of the Republic, that the shabu dealers in that barangay, out of a legitimate operation, patay. Ngayon, bumalik po ako doon. Ang sabi nila sa akin, tumahimik ang barangay. Wala na nang gugulo sa kanila. Ganun. That's the reality on the ground. And dapat ipakita din po natin yun dahil yung mga pamilyang apektado sa drug-related crimes are unbearable. Imagine a third of the workforce. What if they had 3 children and one of your children?
Excuse me, Senator Meigs, I'm sorry.
So that's it, Madam Chair. I know, Madam Chair. Although I've been given 5 minutes, hindi pa siguro ako umabot niyan. But Madam Chair, again, I would just like to show the severity of the situation. I was principal author of the anti-drug law together with Senator Soto when I was a member of the House of Representatives. And it's only today